All right, so let's do a quick review in Microsoft Visual Studio and in VB.NET or Visual Basic Language on its own. Okay, so from this section, I hope say from your left hand side you can see the start. That is the new project, open from source control, blah blah blah. Recent projects I've done so far, and it's working very fine. So here from this angle, let's create a new project, and under the new project, what I was saying the other time at the workshop, no, was I make say there are so many languages concerning Visual Studio, but here be use Visual Basic and Visual Basic. So it's Windows Form application you be use. So just give your application a name, right? And then we are going to see the hello world message, how you can use it to do an educational software for anyone. Let's say Oba or Unkwada Choma dear. How can you use this software to create an educational system for them to learn? What I say. So near no workshop naseno. See the back programming language more. Your friend no basics. What I say. It's called the basics. So for the basics, we have something called hello world. What I say. So we're going to do it as a hello one. So let's call this tutorial lesson 1, right? So this is how it's going to be. Yeah, but be a system I be calculate a max. What I say. So at the end of the day, the person will get to know the final results he or she got. What I say. So with a quick review, no, send an American program, no, or they just resize your form, and you can do as I am doing, and it will help you a lot. Okay, so from this point, this is what I'm going to do. For the form border style, you can form border style. Who asem that? Me the button na nasadi way ayra. You see, you are creating an educational software, so you need to brand yourself very well so that it will be very nice. So for the first thing first, what we are going to do now first, a loading screen. A loading screen is called a splash screen. What I say, normally it's called a splash screen. So for the splash screen, I would like to add a panel, and then I'm more I requested for workshop now or monsa and to me and can. So I will dock the panel down. Seniana how I dock nisify from the property panel. So I will quickly change the color to, let's say, black, or you can choose the color, any color you want from this section, and it will work fine. So from this point, you can add your school logo here, or your company branding, anything else, right? So I will add a picture box. Picture box nina, they are from the toolbox nimo, but quickly from your toolbox name over to me I've stretched the image. Alright, then you choose where your image resources, right? So this is how it's going to be. Me ankasa me wo me images be hanuma. I wish to use them as my everything, what I say. So maybe this is my image for the educational software. So I just click on open. Now I click it open. So this is how it's going to be, right? Now fe ma add meaning say me contem there, you can um go over again about 2 or 3 times, you get it, what I say. But this time no, on the picture box no, me choose see image and I'm stretching no, and I come on. So this is how it works. Probably this is how it works. So from the splash screen no, nama add label. So from the label no, may back color and the jana black sa name on 4 color no, ubetumi a no white. Me no me fancy me expect kakranti no, I just type the colors by their names edigum na menya, but you can grant through to check out any color you want to use, and that will be fine. And font style, I would like to choose 48 for now, and this is how the 48 looks like, what I say. So from the label testing, person me change testing no, so this is the test for the label, and na oko asien so this is the name for the label, and your name na ye kan ho asem. We're talking about the test, what I say. So on the test, and let's call this educational system. Okay, so Encanchen is a educational system for kids, what I say. Then instead of the font to be 48, you use 26, and it's going to work fine. 26 or 28 cry, okay, 28. So I say so let's use 36. Good. Oh, 36 is too much. Use 34. Okay, 34 is okay. Yeah, that is fine. So yeah, add a progress bar. Bia me searching a hunting, you can go by searching it. Progress. Do you want to be progress bar? Drag and drop the progress bar to your project. So this is how it's going to be. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to adjust the positions of it. So this is how it's going to be. Probably this is how it's going to be. Saying so na me pen. You can adjust it like anyhow you want to. You want it to be anyway. Mean cancer. Then I will add a timer. TIMER. So double click on it for it to appear here. That means it has been added to your project. Now on timer way no, right click in properties. From the properties, no one say enabled at a false. For enable need to true. Interval no, you can decide to increase the interval. You can decide to decrease the interval. You can interval near cha or per se eche. What I say. So I want it to be 100 like that. What I per se 100 nasa. So answer na measure coding nasa no. Make a project new or add Windows form. Maybe creating me home page. What I say. So what am I form 2 nasa add. So this is my form 2 anyway. Enti me pese form 1 way no, se elodia manisia be form 2 na mame. What I say. So answer no, click on this white portion. Now make sure say form 1 is the selected form or is the selected item. Now for property panel name, ye free BB Windows start position. Now I select center. Send a bear way no elodi or screen no infinity. Okay, good. From now on, you form 2 and you form 1. This is form 2, which will be our question. What I say, and this is form 1, which will be our loading screen. So let's go to the form 1. Double click on the timer to enter into the codes. What I say for the codes, I would like to okay, my minion can code now maybe boni. So under timer tick nature say timer no ne ne ba na e ready seconds no say e ready ke bia what should happen. What I say. So that is private sub timer 1 click tick, sorry. Sender as object E as event adds handle timer 1 dot tick. Tick in a event once you will dispose in your tick. Yes, I have na event no. So under private sub tick no in the virtual code. Nti yebeka say progress bar na yedi tum, that is progress bar 1 dot increment. Say o increment process ne there and na o incrementing by 1. So it won't be like 0 to 100 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 sa what I said. But see yeah aha no 5 ebeko 5 10 15 20 25 30 35. That is how it works. Probably that is how it works. So may no one, you can decide to choose any like duration you want it to be. What I say. So from then no maka say progress bar no ne value what I say equal could do 100% enye bibi mame. First thing first, near what's we and say what time na one kasa wo call enable no one say ye me time and so near call enable and they call 2 true. Enti nia oben say progress by 1 no say iridia could do 100 there and yes hard time and I was say stop no enya sa o form 2 we di bia ebesan load we bi na asan bie na asan load bi because still time and that so ye adwuma. I hope it's clear. So nia bekan say then timer 1 dot stop. Now form 2 na eye main form na pese be form 2 dot show. Now waka say me dot hide. That's all. So we are no save u project no. What I say. Now start near had. So basically this type of programming languages okay, so I hope you can see that it's loading. Yeah, so as soon as I reach 100 per nafe we no ebi. Okay, good. So we are done, right? We are done. Yeah, we for the we no yeah we ni code yenko hobium. Ti yenko form 2 ne so. Anyway, click it. Mane started from the center of the screen. So to do that, right click, go to properties. Now from the property section, you will start position. Send out the form 1 no. Click it center screen. Till this time no a be loady from center screen. What I say. Now, sir, you can decide to get rid of it, you can decide to keep it. It all depends on how you want to do it. But for what lesson we need there, I will decide to keep it, but just to get rid of the minimize and then the maximize. So go down from the property panel and then turn maximize box to false and then minimize box to false. And this is here say aka close button and down. What I say. Now form 2 you can go ahead from the property panels now on the test of the form 2 what changing on why abia ubetumi afre no abia question 1 and I say lesson 1. What I say, and I'll be to me any name, let's say educational software, maybe 10.5. now they be a pro asoso educational software 10.5 pro. What I say, so from this point what we're going to do now is we're going to add something called the same picture box now. What I say, TB add picture box now. So from this picture box will be the image you want to add anyway. So I will choose the image I like to choose. So import, then I will say that maybe mouse. Okay, so this is mouse. And ahano, there is nothing here. So yamfa bibi to say group box na yen sign it. Yeah, so everything will be inside the group box. What I say. So from the group box properties now, answer test near group box 1. You which may change question 1. What I say. Then the font size what's the font? So the font size you can choose 14 for now. Now I can see kama ama. Color a 4 color na ewo question so no. Ubetumi choose red. Na amano aye kama ama. Okay, so from this point we are going to add some buttons. Sorry. Button. So ma add one button. So ma add one button. Button way maybe customizing and sana me move to like my copy paste what I say. So for the back color of the button yedi can suya back color ne dada. So a control to control highlight na type red fashion na 4 color na test na was and also a red into what are they white rather. So this is how it's going to be. So afi test na was ubetumi a type a keyboard na afi right click copy, right click paste. Now you too minim se me ko faster me so fa che me but we a tutorial lesson into you will get more advantage to go over and over and over again till you get everything right. So Mr. se me ko intema waderoma na wo de ache me yenye sa. Okay, so this is it. Keyboard. Sa paste bi because I copy that. So paste one more. Good. Then paste it one more. So this is how your system is going to be. What I say. See where your keyboard there, I am fan mouse no measure last one. But you can decide to choose any type you want to choose. Yamfa pen drive measure pen drive. Na yamfa ahano enye monitor. Okay, so keyboard, monitor, pen drive, mouse. Good. Now from question 1 yen add a label. What I say, so label yen add it. So this is our label. On label test maybe friend please answer the question below. What I say, please answer the question below. So I will just copy and paste it again. Now from this section maka say choose the correct answer. Right, choose the correct answer. Okay, now my same paste biom. Now this time or ya kwada, so you need to get some some test style be to so yanka say what is this. What I say, I say is swap. So what you need to do is overcall font style, font type what bold afa be at 24 cry swap because ya kwada I was set to me reading a comma. So 36 is quite okay. So what is this? Okay, for what is this? No bet to make you sue for the color, no bet to make you sue blue for four color for the test. What I say? When you can decide to choose blue, but wow, how you want to design your interface, design your blocking, design everything. No, it all depends on you. Wow, how I say oh yeah no. So from this section, how many minutes am I recording so far? Okay, I got 20 minutes, no problem. Exactly 1 hour, then we wrap it. Me per say yeah no on a complete basis. What I say, send you can use it to develop a complete software so that it will be very fine for you to get a final results. Okay, so from this point, I will go to question 2 first. But answer no, I was said me share the size of the form no. So for the size of the form no, I think say me no aha size. On the size no any so ubetumi a copy size we. Copy. Send a bear like any being soon be. So go to project add form, that is form 3. Okay, add. So click a form so I know I size. Size. So this is the size. Once I 300 by 300. Paste in your copy ni go ha. Now enter. So this is how it's going to be. Once I near war form 2 no ewa ha no eno an na wasanya no form 3 ne so form 2 ne so ne oma no click back ewo so na mi a control plus a then select bibi a was bia right click it na copy afi ko form 3 ne so empty space na ewa ha no right click it na paste. Okay, good. Once you the same thing na biom sawo. So instead of question 1 over group box no so baby I watch question 1 no we change in question 2. Once I change question 2. Okay, so the images no once I work a keyboard, monitor, mouse, pen drive, so you can decide to choose any image related to the questions now webusan and yes answer there will be to mean so I change questions no. So me make of a monitor edit abba. So from the monitor section, I make off away. Good. Let me say what is this? Where question 2. Or they say medical copy that. What I say, but what I would try to do again is to go to the size of it and then copy the size. So click on the form. Now for form no. On set test near form 3 change it to maybe educational software, maybe 10.5 pro. Send your way back on now we no maximize and minimize the education that what I say. So just turn them off. Maximize box false, minimize box false, so that you get it something like this. What I say. Okay, now from this point now, only 5 questions. Na wankasa no pese wodi bi ka ho a na wodi bi aka ho pese wodi bi ka ho a na wodi bi aka ho pese wodi bi ka ho a na wodi bi aka ho. Only 5 questions in here. So quickly no me select na ma copy size in there hu hia me pa because me pese ni nyina ye pe copy na ma project new project. So this is form 4, that will be my question 3. Now me paste for the size no. Now ma send the same size. Don't forget say the start position over in the center screen. Meaning form 3 size start position in the center screen. Okay, so start position center screen. Be a start position or center screen. Now from there now maximize box is false and then minimize box is false. So there you go. It's quite good and very nice. So this is another form 4. So this is my question 3 anyway. So the test is form 4. To be to me, I can say educational software, maybe 10.5 Pro. What did I say? 10.5 Pro, sorry. So from this point, now being answer, just copy, highlight everything, copy, and then go to your form, then you paste it just like that. What I say. So on your question 2, just use question 3 there, then you are good to go. What I said, just add question 3, then you are good to go. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, that is how probably it works. So you choose a keyboard for that. So images no maybe images are, but you can download them. Me the e-commerce websites emanko for pese like electronic websites near the nanko for koto electrical parts near the me woni nyina bi wa. So on the keyboard I can choose this keyboard image right here for my question 3. So I will create a new Windows form, which is my question 4. I am my form 5. So my question 4 no, so now I copy the size of the form. Size ne dey me patron ya me ye no wan hwe ye before wani so. Size ne ye the size of the form no. What you say, the size no. So just copy the size ubetumi kra choro egu baby, something like this. So WordPad, what I say, ebia ubetumi aka say ebia form size na we paste. So form size no we paste. Ebia form name send be ya won san type biom anti we beka say educational software, maybe 10.5 Pro. What I say, send be ya won san typing biom. So that's what we are going to do. Ma copy a way no. So I'll just go to my form 5 for the size, then I paste it. I'm about enter now a fit size na mami. Don't forget to get a starting position center. Then your minimize box is false, your maximize box is false. Then from this portion, say form 5, medical can say anything Sanyoma way no ya type here go baby. Just copy, go to the form, that is the test, then you paste it, enter, then it just turned to what you wanted. So you call form 4 and so I click it back on Ctrl+A, just copy everything and then go to your form 5, then you paste it. What I say. So I would like to add only 4 questions because my buttons in here 4. Sorry, fetch me pa. But you can still add so many questions you wish to add. So question 4. What is this? What is this? You add the keyboard, you add the monitor, you add the mouse. So this is going to be a pen drive. So import your pen drive by okay, my pen drive so let me use this image anyway. Okay, so this is a pen drive and it's working very fine, fantastic, brutal for me. Okay, so bro, it is done. Say mimia starter, you will see say a loading software. What I say, so it is loading educational system for kids. Okay, so I pop it up. So first thing first, obey answer the question, keyboard, mouse, monitor, blah blah blah. There is no ABI here. What I say. So yemma adewe nye more important ewaha. Yepese yanko form 1 a design, so double click it on timer. Yepese set timer 1 ne stop here my message. So MSG box near yidi yesua no workshop na se no. MSG box no can try you say welcome to welcome to kids educational ICT software, comma, this system was created by Icesoft Original GH. That is my name. So you can apply your name there. We expect all questions to be solved before closing the application, right? So now I can be say be thanks and good luck. So from there now the comma no I can say MSG box style. No I could choose MSG box style. No. You see dot information. What I say information. So the heading of it no ebeye in where notice what I say, then you save it. Ti ade a matchlo ne tintin nyina no message box no asema me pese me kan e wo sa red text na red no and away a message box style am pese disappear appear sorry and away a heading of the message. What I say heading of the message. So yeah testing here enti we ni free why no na be di kan ba ansana form 2 no I started. What I say tienya drew 100%. Let's see how it works. Okay, good. So we need that so that ho but our catch there say welcome to kids blah 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 notice tunya me okay happen afa bia ma but senior me pese ye nen say me pese form ni di kan hide ansana message we aba. So me.hide no obe cut it now the aba timer 1 dot stop nasi yen save afe yen hade ti timer 1 ninya stop ya pe boom na eno so a disappear na afe test no aba. So arranging them is very very important. You see arranging them no is very arranging the codes is very important in this part. Notice na sura ne begu here on say I can be actual. So okay, then it just pops up. So that is it, then you are good to go. Okay, so we enone hono okay, and you know from this section you are done. So your form 5 now I think say we are done. After your last form, that is our complete form. What I say, and then they be display akorano ne score unyaye ni bibia what I say or be display ni bibia. So okay, so on our next tutorial na ebe me try say ye be from beginning instead say e dey be question 1 no e dey be ko baby am na di kan boni din ni school din ni bibia ni details and sana was start a question but this time the other anyway. So this is a complete section for ono. So quickly no make I copy the size of the form, then I paste it. So me paste it to my size, just paste it, enter. So this is it, what I say. So from this section I would like to add my logo. The logo no me call loading screen way no ma copy, just copy it, go to form 6, paste it. So make to me the logo no add to her baby. So this is it, What I say, this is it. Now if I add the group box no, you can use until we know how it works. Draw what you want to do. What I say, so this is it. Or the yen BBC send a more room for improvement. So yen BBC good. Now group box we ne be mema no edin bi te say final score. What I say? So on the final score no, my memfa 14. Okay. Na test no color no my memfa blue. Okay. So from this point no, me add a text box. Click drag and drop 1. So this is a text box for 1. What I say? Inti no yeni bibi say. Na yemfa label emra. Na click label no so ha fa label ne to a. Na fe label ne test no on say test new enyi name test. Label ne test no ka say ebia correct. New nyan correct. Eno no be display ewo aha box we mo. What I say? But box way no anytime be no type or no some test in there empty. To type 0 fatum send be anytime be no a 0 no wecha. Okay, so box way no mpesi ya de send be obi entumi type bibi show. So ye free bibi enabled. So shishim ubehu enabled ENABELD. You see? Yeah. The true fatal false. So there you go. But don't forget to start your system in the middle of your start position. Start position. Fatal center. What I say? So that is it at the center. Copy. Just copy these two. Copy. Paste. Now apply. Fabetua. Correct. No wrong. So WRONG wrong. Just said dodo a onya no wrong. Now afi where you can copy that then no asan paste biom. Then on this time what I say ABA total score. And I say final score. So betumi aka say score. So betumi aka say score. Now ubetumi add another group box biom. Open so on add the group box bia. So me person me add the group box biom ewo mu. Now we no and the group box we no my friend no correct answers. You see, but this time no and on a color no on say a black. That is the 4 color. But high blue and on interest say wrong. Or they just type red. Me person me no red. Now for labels we mono. You see, I'll just copy name me paste it at her. Now for the color na red no mafa green. You see, so you are customizing your final work. What I said, so correct no. Make us say be a Q1 question 1. So to make copy 5 questions. Make copy a way no. Now me paste it. That is question 2. Now me paste it for my question 3. Paste for my question 4. Say 4 questions per. So yeah, this is it. We need be question 4. Then this is going to be my question 2. Then this is going to be my question 3. Question 3. Okay. So we wanna I'll just copy again. Then I paste it. Now me that one. Now and on the color no my blue. The correct answer no a blue. What I say? So we now no make copy na me paste You see? Na ma sign paste. Na me de abaha. Na ma sign paste. Okay, good. So from this point, me add 2 buttons. You see? 2 buttons. The button no me draw back ha. Na we no ne back color no. A button no ne 4 color no me pe white. Test na eguso no me pe white. Na back color no. Back color yedi kan sua back color. Na ma no blue. Bibi say. Na fe entroye na eguso na test na friend button 1 no. Maka say try again. What I say na test no font style no me per 16 send a baby so come on try again. So try again. Na ma copy try again no. Na me paste na me nye 2. So from this section na ma ka say close application. Okay, my main ka say exit system. Oh, come on. All right, so make us say exit system. So on exit system no, I will just rearrange everything. Then exit system no background there mepe bb to say something like red is going to work perfectly fine. So yeah, so that is how the final score is going to be. But anyway, a way now you can change the back colors. Well, you can use gray and it will work perfectly fine. Like you can use anyhow, anything you want to use, you can use it. So form 6, don't forget to change the name to educational software system. So that will be the form test. Paste it, enter, then you are good to go. I think say my starting position is center screen. Okay, so I will save my project. Then let's see from 42 minutes. Yen share coding nasi. Yen share how the coding is going to be. But first of all, no, maybe. Okay, so let's continue. Now may cross check be about may 1 or 2 issue be. I need to submit one of my work be if God willing tomorrow. So I was very yeah. So I think it's quite good enough. So don't forget to save your project. Now we a text box 1 for 2 3. We a text box 2. We a text box 3. Inti yen change din no sane be ya ye free code na ye be hu. So we okay, let's not do anything. Yen call form 2 no so na question 1. Question 1 correct answer a mouse. What I say? So go to form 6. Question 1 a mouse. So let's give the correct answer. Then I think question 2 is my form 3, a monitor. So question 2 ne monitor. Then my question 3 no a keyboard. So question 3 a keyboard. And I'm a question 4 a pen drive. Okay, so these are my correct answers. Okay, your time kakra na akan yen fanye coding and yenko. As I say, so from this time no yenya start here, everything will be working, right? But see inya ba to our form 1 now, there is nothing we can do. Bibi any on my bit me because yen fa code bia man, yeah, but umia okay, you see it doesn't do anything. What I say, it doesn't do anything. So yenyena yemano enye more effective, but don't forget to remove the maximize and then the minimize box no yen turning it to false and it will work fine. Okay, so let's go to our form 2 which is our question 1. Form 2 which is our question 1. Intino a year correct answer in ye dikai but super correct answer in ye. So this is a mouse, right? So on the mouse, double click on the mouse. Code na me pacho steady codes ni ye. Na send ya me typing in a type shim. Then we make sure say a best stick it into your mind. Se nipa ni mia correct answer no so a ene emma ne message. Na enkantre ne say aseme enkantre na me bo ahim no. Question answered. What I say? Question answered. That's all. And no happen me here. Style embrano MSG box style dot information. What I say? Now for the heading no me pe edin me pese me de to sa heading no eso info like a bow on kai say question now o click no answer. Okay, say answer wie dia enye enka asem foforo nkyerɛw asem ese ka kyerɛw no say MBA form form 2 ne so adwuma nti MBA form 3 emma form 3 dot show me dot hide. What I say? Okay, ti form 3 ni be show na ono no sa form 2 no wa hide. But yenhwe bibi wasisi aye pese sa akora ni mia 1 marks ana 1 mark. What I say? Nti ye pese so to mi mia mouse no na otwa eba ha no ma correct in way encounter 1. Ena we nso hye no so say form 6. Enti no correct answer no text box 1. Enti ye call form no so a ye call form 2 near double click mouse no so after say we twa no ma hide no say wa hide ye wie no obeka kire ne say form 6 na your final results no so text box 1 dot text. What do I say? Ne value. What do I say? Into mature code no ha. Oh, into ebe equals to value. Value ne kire say digits na ewo no. So enkonko she main check main reading handle na tenia mekana say. Aha no na me say score. Instead of score na aha no me no form 6 na aha I form 6. What I say? Ti asema me kan ya ne say o de ma me highlight na me copy. Na me copy paste na hwe. Okay, ti asema me kan ni form 6 na me final score we no. On say we text box 1 ni din ni text box 1 correct answer. Say nipa no atumi emia correct answer ne so no aka kire ne say correct answer. On say ye di kan ka say mouse ne ye so adwuma. You double click mouse na ya ka say any form 6 no text box 1 na ye correct answer ne text box na 0 dem no. Value na dem no endane enkonko plus 1. What I say to onya click so na account plus 1. It way simple. No a copy the same thing, enter, paste. Now form 6 no total score is going to be the same as the correct answer. In say instead of text box 1 no obey a text box 3 because text box 3 no in a total score. That's all. Where we copy, where we I hope it's clear what I say. Where we okay, it's not the same thing. Young call a year from 2 ne so or clicky way ya it should tell him something. But no be catch then say code me no way penny here. Or no o copy code way ya me and some way sorry. Okay, what you copy for ni na bra ha ne be paste. Now question 1 is answered the same procedure na, but instead say obeka say add ewo text box 1 mu no on say wati nti wati dia omia so no wati dia wo say text box 2 ni mom and count 1. So oko from 2 ni so instead of text box 1 no aka say text box 2 what I say. That's all. Nti we no obe copy we nyina the same simple procedure. Copy no aka from 2 ni so we wati nti the same thing no paste no asa akọ hobium pen drive omia so wati and also na we paste into the same thing na we paste duplicate here fine into no be away question wrong question back edie we see another wrong question back and we see another wrong question back and we correct answer na ngasem what I say na niaye ba be ni save copy correct answer ni nyina copy because yentumi me type ni bebre saa na fe form 2 ne so adwuma ne aye wi no ti ko form 3 ne ye monitor enti double click monitor button so now the paste ne wa ha paste unim ade a obe nyina nse won se we wasan ase ama o se form 3 ti ne wa change no aye no form 4 sorry so form 4 that's all unya hwibiem form 4 obetumi akọ back to form 2 ni code nim anasa okọ form 2 ni so a no double click ni wrong answer no so no copy back just copy it go to the form 3 design on say monitor na yaye correct answer ti keyboard omia so awati ti e no so no paste u paste a form 3 obesan ase ama na why in form 4. That's all. Na wako a pen drive waiting. Just paste it. Na no form 4. Na fe mouse waiting. So form 4. Okay, I hope say you are enjoying this. Time per quickly no me grant it through 10 na just say the same thing applies to the form 4. Inti me copy the correct answer no. Remember say a form nko na obesisa ne obesan ase ama no na obesisa inti me call form 4 ne so. A keyboard inti no keyboard no na metwa keyboard na me paste. Oh so obesan form 4 na ase am na ma form 5. Okay, so form 4 we a wrong answer. Inti me call form 3 no wrong answer back so. Na ma copy wrong answer no. Just copy the wrong answer. Na ma call form 4 ne so. Ne wrong answer monitor a wrong answer na me paste. Na instead of form 4 no ma of form 5. What I say? So we are working on form 4 pen drive. Na ma form 5. What I say? So form 4 then mouse, that will be the last one. Then instead of form 4 let's make it form 5. So there you go. Now I should say on sign bibia same mawa. That's all. Code no me the back count into no there uni problem me highlighting in na me the account. Ti wo there ni abe nyina say bia wa hye we and just copy and paste then you are good to go. Okay, so from this point we are going in for the form 5 so that is the final question. What I say? So pen drive is the correct answer. Into yanko form 4 so near see keyboard na correct answer. So highlight everything again, copy, go to the form 5, double click on the correct one, then you paste, then you change the form 5 to form 6, right? The same thing works. the way na last one. So for the wrong answer, which is these codes, just copy it. Copy. Go to the form 5. Double click on the wrong answer. Paste it. Now for form 5, no in form 6. Because you are working on form 5 anyway. Monitor waiting. Now form 6. Yes. So pen drive will track by mouse waiting. So form 6. So I hope say what you say. So we are you are done. It's younger form 6 so say a bahadia. Now unya the total score ne man. Now krani mia try again enka the asem. 1 umia try again and some fan call form 2. A year ne final ne lesson 1 form 2 and lesson 1. And then ne lesson 1 or some best start overview. Ne mum no said the lesson 1 ni total score ne da so da ho. Yeni can try na menchira won ya make ho asem. So elodi ede amaye. Okay. So elodi system na maye. So blah 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 blah. Good luck. So on set me be training na. So this is a mouse. Okay. This is a monitor. Okay. Keyboard. Okay. This is a pen drive anyway. Okay. So once a correct in here 4, total score here 4. And I wrong here 0. Mia try again now. Once a total score no hold that, but a sound the back can be correct. Monitor correct. Keyboard correct. Pen drive correct. Once a ababe count 8, but me penisa. Me pese a sama me 4 beam. Then say add by values. Yen here baby I record here. Okay, yeah, about 4 minutes or 3 minutes to go. So yen yes I do yen pese a be like a be add sa. What I say, yen exit yen code exit and so let's work on it and see how so far it works. Intino what can say you know beka say text box 1 dot text equals to now the 2 inverted commas but in between 2 inverted commas no I can say 0. What I say any the text box 1 dot text na bachelor 0 at 2 text box 2 dot text a bachelor 0 at 2. So just copy this and then paste because 3 instead of text box 1 no I can say text box 2. Instead of text box 1 no I can say text box 3. You are good to go. Intino yan try be near hade. I'm say yeah the lesson e ba na we ya nesa. Say na be ya you bet to me move ahead to another lesson. Okay. So that's good. Keyboard, mouse, good. Monitor, okay. Keyboard, okay. Pen drive, right, is good. So 4. You try again here. Mouse, or yen tibako, yen kofa monitor, okay. Ne yen timi. Okay. So now you can see say wrong here 2, correct here 2, and add no. So that is how straight the educational software works. Now yen code exit no exit application into exit application no you could be near the lesson abana see double click it on exit no. So for the exit no yebeka say MSG box and can be being chire and sana wa exit it yebeka say thank you for using and for enjoying our educational software. Ne aka say bia see you soon. What I say? Then the message box style is going to be information. Then the heading will be quick message. What I say? So save that. After that, after sa code no I can say application.exit. What I say, so that's all. Then try last one and let's see. Okay, so mouse, monitor, keyboard, pen drive. Now you can see say no. Timinya exit pe. So I catch him say thank you for enjoying our educational software. See you soon. Inti yedi kan sua se wo pese eno message ni di kan like application exit answer na message na ba, you just bring this on top of it. Ti bro, yem fancy ya families, yem fancy ya na everything will be nice. So have a nice day and good luck in learning. Until we meet again on our next lesson. Have a nice day. Shout outs. Bye bye.